Or is mine, but I'm just going to give it a shot regardless and see what the rates are like. I think I'm going to hand it over to Abha to take on the market opening. But of course, key amongst the stocks that you're going to look out for today are going to be earnings reactions from a Unilever, from an Axis Bank. And given the mixed bag of the brokerage views that we are seeing on Axis, this is going to be an interesting one to look out for. Also on our platter today, Bajaj Auto, L&T, ICICI Securities. These are going to be important numbers as well. The first rates in Abha, I would request you to take over from here.
All right, let's take a look at how the screens are shaping up this morning and what's in store for us. Top of it's a steady start, marginal increase on first glance coming in there. Let's take a look at some of the major movers as well and just pull them up for you on your screen right now. So steady to begin with. We'll wait and see if we actually move further past that 11,100 mark and continue that upward trajectory coming in. But in terms of the movers right now and in terms of stocks catching our eye as well, first up this morning, pull up some of those and on your screen as well. As you can see coming in there, we've got some amount of action coming in, just about 6-7% perhaps in the likes of a UPL, DRL. So a little bit in pharma that's back. Muthoot is in action, remember, post the gold move on gold prices. So we've continued to see that one gather some traction. Vodafone, a little bit of buying coming back after it had cooled off last couple of sessions. Axis Bank up 5%. So that's one to keep an eye on, particularly with all the earnings focus. Breadth is still very much intact. Axis actually now up 6%. Bajaj Finserv back in action today as well after cooling off a little bit yesterday. So we've got a few names there on the upside. Pharma's also making a bit of a comeback in today's session so far. JSW Steel up about 1%, Bharti Infratel up about 1%, so that's on the index. So just steady on open right now, no runaway move coming in, tighten up about 1% right now. And even though it's a consumption story, will be interesting to see how that stock also continues to behave, given what we're seeing on gold prices. Bajaj Auto just a touch lower ahead of earnings, about 0.8%, not expecting any great earnings this time. And the FMCG pack also just moderating, tempering today. IT seeing a touch of a cool off as well, given the kind of move that we've been seeing across those IT names. M&M Financials cooling off a little bit as well in today's session. Remember, it's been running up quite heavily, but just a touch once again. Over